I'm going to have some fun with these flat lever locks. Sometimes they're referred to as pancake locks. And this is a Yale Model 455, it seems. It says Yale and Town Manufacturing Company, Stamford, Connecticut, USA. And let's try picking it with this. Yeah, there'll be a looser pile over here. And we'll go with this little tiny one next. There's a key. And this is called an alpha. And it's all it says on it. Nothing else. And we'll try this. There we go. Gotcha. All right. And this is a Miller. And it says, I can read, Miller Lock Company, made in USA. And some sort of emblem in the middle there, I can't make out. It just doesn't have a key. Let's see. Lollipop will open this right up. There you go. All righty. And here we have a rooster. I don't know what the name of it is, but it's pretty. Let's see. Try this. Doesn't seem to want that one. Try another. And that got it. Sorry, my alarm's going off. Time to take my medication, but it can wait. Okay, one more little one. Another Miller. Of course, as you can see, these locks aren't difficult, but they're fun to do. And try a lollipop on this. There we go. I think it's 5. 5 out of 5. All right. We'll go with this. This is a Sargent and Company, New Haven, Connecticut, USA. It's a key, not much of a key. Doesn't look like it wants to unlock. There we go. All right. Oh, I haven't tried this pick in a while. And it went right open. Very, very neat. 6 out of 6. One more lock. This is a Reese Secure lever lock. Here's the key. Fork. Unusual. tail snaps great. And it's got levers at the bottom and levers at the top. But if you're lucky, you can unlock it with this, the top lever, if you hit the sweet spot. Doesn't like that pick. Let's try this one. Ah, got it. So, 7 out of 7. Pretty good. Thanks for your patience and have a good day. What the